Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very creative and mindfulness ideas of bottle crafting. Now let's talk about mindfulness. When you decorate bottles, notice how your hands move, how colors blend, how texture feels. This simple act can bring calmness to your mind. Every knot of jute rope, every stroke of paint, every bead glued on with patience, it all connects you to the present moment. Crafting is therapy, you know very well. It reduces stress, builds focus, and gives joy. In a busy festival season, it reminds us that beauty comes from slowing down, breathing, and creating with intentions. And here's the exciting part: bottle e-craft isn't just a hobby; it can also be a business. Start by gifting your decorated bottles to family and friends. Notice their reactions. People love handmade, thoughtful gifts. Next, take photos of your work and share them on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Create short videos of your process. People enjoy watching art come alive. You can also sell at local craft fair, market, or online stores. Pair bottles with fairy lights or fresh flowers and offer them as gift sets. Think of packaging too. Wrap your crafts with eco-friendly paper or fabric to add a professional touch. Remember, business grows with consistency and authenticity. When you pour mindfulness into your work, people feel it and they are willing to pay for that value. So, my friend, this festive season, let's recycle, create, and celebrate. Bottle craft is more than decoration, it's a journey of mindfulness, creativity, and growth. Whether you are creating for your home or building business, remember one thing: every bottle tells a story, every detail carries love, and every creation brings joy. So pick up those bottles, add your imagination, and let your light shine through your art. Thank you for joining me today. Stay mindful, stay creative, and keep growing. Until next time, happy creating. Hope you like these ideas and design. These ideas is very useful and healthy activity for you. Very beautiful and amazing designs. Very mindfulness ideas. So these are very creative and interesting designs we bring for you. And we will discover how every decorative bottle can become a symbol of mindfulness, a reminder to slow down, to breathe, and to create with intentions. Festive season like Xmas, New Year, and cultural celebration bring us joy, but also busyness. Crafting bottles gives us a moment to pause in the middle of all the noise. Together, let's learn how these small acts of creativity can bring beauty, peace, and even opportunities for growth and business. Let's start with the heart of it all: mindfulness. When you pick up a small glass bottle, it may look ordinary, but the moment you decide to decorate it, it becomes something special. Notice how it feels in your hand. Feel the coolness of the glass. Listen to the sound of twine brushing against it. Pay attention to how your breath slows down when you focus on wrapping jute carefully, or when you gently paint over the surface. This is mindfulness in action. Every little step, from choosing colors to tying a ribbon or placing tiny ornaments is an invention to be present. It's not about rushing, it's not about perfection, it's about being here in this every moment. Crafting bottles is like meditation. Instead of closing your eyes, you open your hands. Instead of silence, you embrace textures, colors, and light. And in the end, you don't just create a decoration, you create a piece of calmness that will shine in your home. These designs are very popular and beautiful. It would be a centerpiece of your table. It is the best design, is the beautiful idea, is the necessary. So crafting bottles like meditation. Instead of closing your eyes, you open your hands. Instead of silence, you embrace textures, colors, and light. And in the end, you don't just create a decoration, you create a piece of calmness that will shine in your home. Now let's bring this mindfulness into the festive season. For Xmas imagination. For this season, imagine painting your bottles in warm red and gold. As your paint, breathe deeply and notice how the colors remind you of joy and warmth. And fairy lights inside, and let the soft glow remind you to shine gently without hurry, without stress. For New Year, try metallic shades, silver, gold, or even bold black with the glitter. As you decorate, reflect on the year gone by and set intentions for the year ahead. Each stroke of paint can represent gratitude, hope, or a dream you want to grow. For wedding or family celebration, wrap bottles with lace or fresh flowers. As you place each detail, think of love, togetherness, and blessing. Let your craft carry energy that spreads to others. But mindfulness doesn't stop at decoration. It becomes a little lesson. It's a lesson for life. When you tie a knot on a bottle, you learn patience. When paint drips by accident, you learn acceptance. When you try again, you learn resilience. These bottles become teachers. They remind us that growth happens slowly, one layer at a time, just like wrapping twine around glass. They remind us that beauty is in the detail and that every small act done by